no? Uy, aakit pa tayo hanggang ka doon-doonan. Oh, mamaya.
Hindi na yung sasama si Aida.
Ako sasama ako kahit sila pumunta.
Ako sasama din.
Doon pang taniman eh. Pero punta lang po kami sa toilet.
Aray. Beka dami ng kalapate.
Hindi ang kalapati, pato.
Pato. Duck.
Duck. Ducklings. Baka may duck dyan eh.
Para palang botanical din niya, anak.
Ay, botanical nga ni.
Botanic lang nga ni.
Botanical nga ni. Walang kal.
Oo, kasi kinalkal.
Dadagtungan na nga natin. Tinibi na. Sorry po. Oh, ayun pa oh.
Oo, may kwan din.
May kwago oh.
Ala ko may ano ngayon nakita natin dati.
Ayan, CR na po tayo.
However, we don't got much local farmers left in Hong Kong now, so we shift our purpose into educational purpose. We keep animals here, but we are not a zoo. We will rescue the animals in the city and they are injured or they are trapped. And then we will help them to recover and we will release them back to the nature if they are available. However, not all of them are available, and then we will keep them in the zoo for educational purpose. And we also get a lot of different plants here as well. So later on, you will have a chance to walk around the farm and have a look at all the cute animals and all the unique plants here.
Wow.
Alright, so that's about the farm. And about today, in the afternoon, we will have 3 groups of workshops. Okay, so one group will experience a long yoga workshop, and 2 groups will experience both art workshop and yoga workshop. So later on, I would like you guys to divide into 3 teams. So you can, if you want to experience a long yoga workshop, or if you want to experience both workshops, you can decide now. However, you might be swapped into other groups due to some limitation, because we need even number of groups. So we will divide our groups later. Okay? And in the afternoon, we have provided you some free lunch. This vegan lunch provided by Green Hub in Taipo is our sister organization providing sustainable living style. Okay, so in the afternoon, due to the unstable weather, we would have some arrangement that depends on the weather. So if it is sunny like now, we will have a treasure hunt activity. But if it is not as good as the weather is not as good as now, we would have other arrangement, and we will tell you later. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so any questions?
No.
If we don't have any questions, let's move to the stairs and we will take a picture and then we will divide into 3 teams.
बस पर्पल न्यूज टाकायचं ऊपर असली ऊपर बना
Plants and
kayak itu bisa promosi Nah, kita nih bisa tapi enak lah, iya ujung mana bro? Waduh, itu sawah kayak. Mana mereka? Di belakang kan kayak hole. Tapi bersih ya.
wow, ang ganda naman ito.
Ya kan sapu mah. Iya, kenapa kayak hitam enggak bersih? Ya ngapain? Digambar di lantainya. Lumbu ya. Lumbu. Sama juga lumbu kan? Panas. Nanti siang juga.
Ba't wala kang jacket? Uy, ang ganda naman. Pwede sumilip. Ito.
Walang sa ulo. Nanti na pa.
Payong.
Ayaw ko magbitbit ng payong.
Gusto mo payungan kita?
Pwede naman. Bukas tayo.
Dito kami.
Doon tayo.
Ay, syempre, iba yan sa kanila. Yoga-yoga lang yan sila. Yoga-yoga lang yun.
Ano ba itong sa atin?
Yoga and art.
Iba pala yung sa atin.
Yoga art tayo.
Pero in fairness na, mainit ah.
May payong ako din sa bag.
Naka-jacket. Uy, masusunog yung skin ko. Ako, yung flawless skin ko, masisira. Dito naman, paiba-iba naman yung kulay. May refill, ano daw?
Ba, akalain mo yun?
Kain na.
Ayan, oh, parang aswete, oh. Siya nga, nakahubad pa eh. Nakasando nga lang siya eh. Ay, ano?
Sila kasi magpapahingal pa. Ha? Susunog ako.
Kadori pa more.
Ayan po, oh, naglalakad kami sa ano. Hi! Nay! Welcome to my vlog. Hello po. My skin is so very...
Ang dami vlogger, oh.
Hi!
Ayan pa, oh, may vlogger pa, oh.
Ayaw ko sa mga Facebook. Madumi.
Doon, oh, gusto ko makita doon.
Ayun ang maganda, oh.
Linisin mo. Linisin mo, kung ba dumi.
Ano pang gagawin natin dito? Yoga.
Magpipintura tayo, art eh.
Ina-active yung YouTube. Pinipintura tayo, art daw.
Ba't ang kunti pa? 3 minutes pa lang, kanina pa to. Ayan. Ganda na pakpaklaro niya.
Papagayaw, nasabi. Ito po yung babuto mo.
Ayun, ayun ko yun. Mamaya uli. Ibigay ko uli sa iyo mamaya. Yes. Papasok na tayo dito. We're the group 2.
So please how if you in this hall. And the author of this story is the chef executive of this farm. And he lived in this farm area for over 60 years. And he has a deep connection between himself and the farm, especially the mountain behind. And the mountain behind is called Punyam Mountain. Have anyone heard of Punyam before? So Punyam is a goddess in Chinese culture, representing love and compassion. And on the top of the mountain, there's a statue of Punyam. And we really got the statue on there. So if you have chance, next time when you come to the farm, you can visit to the peak of the Punyam Mountain. Not this time because it's very hot, and I really don't recommend that. So maybe in the autumn or winter, when you come visit, you can visit the mountain. Yes, we got a really nice stream flowing all the way from the peak to the bottom of our farm. So when we were passing through the farm, I don't know if you noticed there are streams. There's a really beautiful and nice stream flowing around our farm. And this is where the story starts. So in the stream, we got a lot of different creatures living in there. Little fish, snail, frog, crabs, shrimp, they are all living happily in there. And they love to play games. And Punyam loves to see them playing, but she loves to hide in the bushes and see them play the games. And one day, they are starting a conversation. The frog is asking, should we play a game? I want to play tag with everyone. But the crab doesn't want to play tag. Instead, she wants to play hide and seek. And the turtle doesn't want to play anything. He just wants to sleep. And they start to argue. And then they start to shout to each other. And then they start fighting. And finally, they stop talking with each other. And Little Fish, our brave little character in our story, is very sad. And the rock will become silent and full of bad feelings. And Punyam cannot bear the creatures she loves being so angry at each other. And this is the moment when she decides to go back to her mountain home. And when Punyam goes, the sun stops shining, the streams go to a trickle, and then the stream stops flowing completely. And what happens when the stream stops flowing? Dry. The water dries up, algae start growing, and bacteria starts growing, and animals start getting sick. And Little Fish is very sad, and he is very courageous as well. And he thinks, I must help my friends. I need to go to the mountaintop to find out why the water is not flowing. Maybe I can find the goddess Punyam and ask her to help us. And then he starts to leave with all of his strength, take a big and giant leap. However, he's just a tiny little fish, and he cannot go all the way up to the mountaintop because he doesn't have hand, he doesn't have legs. He's really that tiny. And he make a wish to Gunyam. And Gunyam watched little fish. A tear grows down her cheek, and she makes a wish as well. And this time, little fish decides to give his one last try. He gathers up all the strength and takes a giant's leap. So this time, instead of falling back down, up and up he goes. And up over the rock face, up to the trees. And something happened. He became a giant dragon. And he became a giant dragon with
Maganda ng kwento niya eh.
really strong fire.
Fantasy.
And magic and power fill his body.
Magic.
And he feels really proud and powerful. And his proud roars make the forest creatures scatter. All the animals are so scared, and he's so proud, and he marched all the way up to the mountain top to find Gunyam.
Oh gosh.
He thinks, oh, I have to find Gunyam. I almost forget why am I here. And when he reached the mountain top, the dragon hears a faint song. He slows down so he can hear it better. So the Gunyam is singing a little song. Little fish, you were once very sweet and gentle. Now you're so loud and proud and fierce. Do you remember who you really are? The dragon listens to the song, and as he listens, he feels the wonderful love he had never found before. Tears trickle down his cheek onto the earth, and he starts to shrink. His claws disappear, and he becomes smaller and smaller. And he becomes little fish again. Gunyam picks him up, and he feels her love surround him. He got a smile. She said, "You are part of me now, little fish." And do you remember the stream down there? What was happening there? It was dry. Yes,
It's dry.
And then
Everything
the
is
dragon teared down, and the tear became these waters again. And the water flow all the way down to the stream again, and the water flow back to the stream again. And a big splash, and all the creatures cheers and splash as the water heals them and bring them back happiness. And they agree that it is really stupid to argue over that tiny thing, and then they agree that, oh, we should never do that again. They promise to each other they will never fight again and will always take care of each other.
Yeah.
And Gunyam comes back down to the mountain, drawn by the joy. And this time, instead of fighting,